Finding good dropshipping suppliers in Australia is hard enough. Finding ones with fast shipping, solid return policies, and automation, it's even harder. In this video, I'm breaking down the top Australian dropshipping suppliers, some of which are already supported through AutoDS, so you can actually automate your pricing, your orders, and tracking without ever lifting a finger. If you're selling to Aussie customers, this list is going to save you a ton of time and maybe even your store's reputation. First up, we have Kogan. Now, Kogan is one of Australia's biggest online retailers. They offer everything from electronics to furniture, and they have local warehouses, which is key for fast shipping. You'll find exclusive deals, solid customer service, and high-ticket products with good resale margins. Now, to make things even sweeter, Kogan is now fully supported. It's a fully supported supplier with AutoDS. So you can automate everything from your product imports to your order fulfillment. All right, now next up, if you're into health, wellness, or the organic niche, Bondi Beach Tea Co. is a great pick. They specialize in handcrafted tea blends made in Australia, and they offer fast domestic shipping. This is a unique supplier for brands that want a sort of boutique feel. Plus, customers love supporting local, especially when it comes to wellness products. Next up, let's talk about AutoDS's warehouse and private suppliers. This is where automation is going to fully pretty much come in clutch. These suppliers are fully integrated into AutoDS, which means that you can automate product imports, your price syncing, your inventory management, and even your order fulfillment, all with zero manual work. A lot of them even ship from local warehouses from within Australia. So you're not sacrificing speed just to get automation. Fast shipping and full control from one single dashboard is a total game changer. So if you're using AutoDS, or if you're planning to, this should be one of your first supplier sources. Now, if you want a full list of all of these different suppliers that I'm going through in this list, make sure you drop a comment with the hashtag #AUSuppliers along with your favorite supplier from this list. And when I see that you went ahead and did that, I'll reply back with a link to the sheet. All right, let's go ahead and continue. Okay, next up we have Dear Jane Medical. This is perfect for niche stores that are focused on mobility or health. They offer products like wheelchairs, walking aids, and home care essentials. Now, they are based in Melbourne, and they ship quickly from within Australia, and they offer refunds and warranties on most of their items. Now, this is the kind of niche where speed and trust, they really matter, and Dear Jane delivers on both. All right, next up, if you're selling fashion, especially plus-sized women's clothing or all-inclusive clothing, check out Daring Diva. They focus on stylish, size-inclusive pieces that actually follow local trends. So things that are trending or styles that are trending in Australia. With fast domestic shipping and strong customer service, they're ideal for Australian fashion stores. A great pick if you want a supplier that makes your brand look legit. All right, now for the home decor lovers, Dash Design has a great selection. Think vases, wall art, lighting, and a lot of other statement pieces. Their aesthetic is modern and minimal, and they ship from inside Australia. It's the kind of supplier that's perfect for building a brand around curated lifestyle products. All right, now, next up, you've probably heard of this one, and it's Banggood. But did you know that they actually have an Australian warehouse, which means that all of the product variety that you're used to, just with way faster shipping times in Australia. If you want general store flexibility without having to sacrifice delivery speed, this is definitely the move. Banggood is also fully supported by AutoDS, so you can automate everything. Now, this next one actually has a pretty bad rep because of long shipping times. I'm talking about AliExpress. But did you know that now you can filter by ships from and select Australia? That way, you still get the low prices and the massive selection, but with domestic delivery times. That means happier customers and fewer refunds, and even better, way less headaches. Now, next up is a retail giant that you don't want to sleep on, and that's Target Australia. They've got home goods, baby products, and seasonal items, most with free shipping over 45 Australian dollars. And best of all, it's all, of course, domestic. Dropshippers use Target to source trendy in-demand products, especially for the baby or the home niche. Now, Target, it's also fully supported through AutoDS, so you can also enjoy all of the benefits of automation. All right, last but certainly not least, we have eBay Australia and Shopify. With eBay, you're tapping into millions of local products with built-in delivery tracking. You just need to vet the sellers carefully. Now, as for Shopify, AutoDS now lets you import products directly from other Shopify stores. Now that's huge because there's a lot of different suppliers on Shopify that can actually match the prices from your regular suppliers. So if for whatever reason, one of your typical suppliers doesn't have the product that you're looking for, you can easily switch your supplier over to Shopify and source it through a store from there. Not just that, but that's also huge for sellers that are looking to resell boutique brands or find trending products from a variation of different suppliers. Now, a few quick pro tips before we wrap up. For one, always remember to use multiple suppliers. Diversify your sourcing so that you're never stuck. Besides that, always check the return and the refund policies. Every supplier handles this differently. And, of course, always prioritize domestic shipping. Australian customers expect fast delivery, just like pretty much the rest of the world. And also, automate where possible. AutoDS works with many of these suppliers. So let the system handle the grunt work while you focus on scaling, product research, and your marketing. So if you want to fully automate your store, handle your product imports, and keep your pricing orders synced across multiple suppliers and multiple platforms, AutoDS has you covered. Now, you can try us out for just $1 for the next 2 weeks. The link is in the description. So with that, go ahead and build a smarter store, not a harder one. All right, that's pretty much the list. So if this helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more ecom content, and let me know in the comments which supplier you're excited to test out. Huge thank you to everyone for watching. My name is Mario with AutoDS, and I'll catch you all next time.